How to save music from YouTube to your files. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can actually download music. A lot of people actually know about this, so let's go ahead and jump in. So you're on your YouTube main homepage over here, and you're going to go over to the right-hand side. You're going to click on your profile picture, and you're going to have a drop-down menu. Now you're going to go ahead into YouTube Studio. And once you're in YouTube Studio, the page will actually look like this. This is your dashboard, and you're going to go over to the left-hand side, and there's a menu. Now you're going to scroll down on that menu, and you can see that right at the bottom there is an audio library. And I'm sure a lot of people actually know about this, but this is all music sound effects that is royalty free that you can actually use on your content and upload it to YouTube without having any community strikes or any copyright checks on it. So you can go ahead and you can actually sample the music, you can play it, you can add it to your favorites list, and then right at the right hand side of that music, you can go ahead and tap on download, and that literally will be downloaded to your device. You can use it on your videos, and you can use it also, of course, for personal use. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we will see you in another awesome video. Happy music downloading. Bye bye.